Whoa. Insane view. Oh my god, that's insane. It's super dark outside today. It's been gloomy for the whole week, and it's gonna be gloomy for the rest of next week as well. Let's go. 야, 나 자연스럽게 해줄게. 뭘? We can pretend to be talking about something very intellectual. So how's the stock market today? Well, I think it rose a little bit. Oh, really? Good. Cheers! Happy birthday! 맞아. I forgot to say no. I know that. 소감이 어떠시나요? 저요? 열심히 살게요. 감사하기? 어때? 맛있어 보여. 아 잠깐! 리액션! Oh, this is so cute. 나 어제 아니 이거 뭐야? 야 우리 같이 찍자. This is so sweet. This is nice. 아 근데 뒤에 코로나 너무. 얘가 메인이야. And it's extra too. 다 잡이라는. 근데 같이 마시다. Eye contact.
나 이거 다 못 마시는데?
나도. 와, 근데 진짜 괜찮아. 나 끝맛이 지금 없잖아. Hi guys, we're walking and it's super cold. So cold. 너무 추워요. 우리 근데 오늘 좀 매칭이야. 맛있어?
너무 쎄.
후기를 알려주세요.
매일 이 커피를 아침에 타마시고 싶어. 일할 때.
또 따뜻해.
She's cold. 뭐 하세요?
아니 이게
너무 추워서 따시게.
그것도 여기 무슨
So good.
Can you please dubbing it?
I'm out here, but you're not talking. You're
나 생일이니까 춤 3위를 한번 보고 싶어. 아 여기서 브레이크 댄스 해줄까? 아 그건 탈모니까 너무 나 판티 so 판티는 판티.
생일 소감 한마디 해주세요.
나 숫자는 나일 뿐이야. 숫자는 나일 뿐이야. My 소감이 I hope COVID stops this year. So next year we can properly celebrate.
예.
이게 뭐냐고. Does
this help?
짠해줘, 짠.
Got back home. It was super cold today, so kind of went home early. Tomorrow I'm gonna be meeting with my other friends, like an early birthday lunch. Yeah, I will take you guys with me tomorrow again. Today I'm just gonna have lunch with two of my friends. This is gonna be like a pre-birthday lunch for me. Yeah, I'm gonna have steak, so see you guys there. Actually, no, it's a bit scary. It's a bit scary. I got that one, so I take it. That looks like it's from a movie. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. I don't know if it's I got it. It's really cold here. Thank you. Welcome to this room. Thank you. Ponies first.
I feel like every Thursday back when you're like, can it be Friday yet?
Happy birthday! We got her, this is their like marshmallow, like where you
signature thing. There's
Yeah.
no fire.
Yeah, exactly.
I think they'll do it later.
Oh, got it.
Got Lynn flowers as well for her birthday. Of course. Happy birthday, honey. It's recording. Blow, blow, blow.
Oh, how about the matcha? I thought the whole thing's gonna light up.
I think it will.
I think it will, yeah.
Less red than it was before.
It was 50.
Yeah.
The angle is hard. They got me flowers. They're having Korea too.
Now we're making love in a restaurant.
It's so pretty in Melbourne. You're gonna be in her vlog.
Oh shit!
Wait, come back.
Okay, subscribe, like, and share.
Yes.
Can I shout out? Subscribe to my OnlyFans.
Kyle is one of the best bartenders.
Promote.
This is Kyle.
This is Kyle. You're a friend.
Yeah, I don't know what to say now, man.
Come to Zura.
Find Kyle.
Find Kyle.
It's the place.
He will give you free shots. We're going home now. Wow, it's actually so dead.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I'm back home now. It's about 7 p.m. We had to leave because obviously it's 6 p.m. and there's nothing to do after 6. Yeah, we had a really fun day. I went to Zura and then just taxied back home, but little problem. I couldn't find a vase, so I had to do like a world tour around my house to find myself a vase, but I could not find it. So in the end, what I got was this. I legit couldn't find anything but a water bottle, a water jug. So this will do. Today is a very amazing day. Got my brand new espresso machine. Oh my god, I've been really wanting one and I'm so happy that my friends got me one. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Let me try this out real quick. I don't even know if I know how to operate it, but we'll find out. Oh my god, I'm beyond excited. I've been wanting one for the longest time. Okay, so here is the capsule situation. What are these? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I realize none of this is in English, so I'm super lost, but I'm going to try this vanilla type capsule. Okay, I've never tried this before. And then they got me an extra one. Oh my, I've been working from home every day, and like for the past few days it's been raining so much, so all the like the delivery apps were down, so I had a really difficult time getting coffee. So I'll never have that problem again, you see. Okay, I guess I put this in. Okay, a bit of an unfortunate situation because I still don't have an ice tray and I really like iced coffee, but you know what, this will do. Oh, what? I'm so confused. What? Alright, restart. That was a fail. Okay. Ah! Bruh. Ah! I keep dropping it. Ah! Oh, this is a disaster. Holy crap. Oh my god. What is this? Am I okay? What the heck? Why can't I do this? Just, hello? Please? Oh my god, finally! Beautiful. Okay, it's finally worked. Got my coffee and okay, this is not a fair taste test because I normally get either iced Americanos, just any cold drinks in general. Okay, I put too much water in. Okay, but still pretty good. This is my work from home fit. Gonna limit my social gatherings as much as possible. Good morning. It's such a nice day outside today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lynn. Oh my god, thank you. It's a digital cake. Happy birthday. Oh, what? Thank you. Is that a mask? Yeah. That's great. Oh my god, wait, that's the one I used. Go, shawty. It's your birthday. Go, quarantine. It's your birthday. Thanks, guys. I'll miss you. I'll miss you. See you in May. See you in May. Bye. So they got me a cake and my gifts are here and I got more coming later. Thank you guys. Love you. I'm gonna have this leftover from last night. Some pasta that my sister ordered for me and some burrata cheese. It looks a little bit sad, but it's okay. I forgot to film an outro once again. Over the weekend, my friends came to surprise me for my birthday, but we were still social distancing because I had to fly out the week after, so I was self-isolating. That is why we were like 6 feet apart and singing our birthday song. Still really grateful that I got to semi-spend it with my friends and still got to see them before I left. So thank you guys, love you. I hope everyone stays safe and well and healthy. I will be back with more content in Korea. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part of the video, you are a real one.